Good everyone, you are welcome to Card Baron. So this is what we're doing today. A simple block. So even if it's your first time, I'm sure you can be able to do something. So let's see how we can be able to achieve this particular work now, as you can see. So first, the material I'm using is on page 165. So file, new, parts, okay. I'll use a top plane. First, what I'll do is I'll use a center rectangle. I'll do something like this. Then next, I will use a line to achieve this. Then I'll dimension. This point is 40. Here is 25. Then from here to here is 10. Then what else? Then from here to here is 5. Then I don't know. I can also from here to here is like 10. So I will use a trim entity to remove this. I will zoom in so you can see clearly. Sorry about that. I've been able to get this. Then I'll come here, go to features, click on extrude boss. As you can see, I'll click on this reverse. Then the total length is 70. So I'll impute it like this. So I've been able to get this now. I've been able to achieve this. So what's the next thing? I'll click here, click on sketch. I'll have this interface. I'll come here from this point. So all I have to do, I'll click here. This interface is not okay. I'll click here. I'll click on convert entity if I want to make use of it. Then I'll click here too. I'll click on convert entity. Then I'll use from this point here to get a sketch. This line from here, something like this. Then do like this, and like this. Then I'll come here also. I'll click on convert entity. Then mind you, I'll use this trim entity. I'll move like this. I'll clean this. Then here I'll click on this. I'll click on this part of this line. I'll click on convert entity. So I'll have something like this. Then let me dimension. So from this point here to this point will be 70. Then okay, that's an error on my side. It's 55. It's the total distance by 70, so it's 55. Then this point here will be 5. That will be 5. Then from this length here is going to be 10. Then here is going to be 20. What else? Is there any other thing I'm yet to do? We're not given a particular angle to use. Here 10, here is 5, here is 20. No particular angle to use. So I'll just come and click on extrude boss. I'll click on reverse again. Then now the total length is 40. So it matches up with this now. So I've been able to I've been able to get this done. Then the next thing is anything I'm missing, I need to know. 20 plus where is 10, where is 20 plus 10 will be 30. So I'll come here, I'll click here, I'll click on sketch. For the total, this let me cross check this again. Let me cross check this. Okay, let me cross check the height. But the height is looking very long compared to what was given. So the height is supposed to be 40, not 70. That's the height. So for the sketch now, it has affected the sketch. So I have to, for this sketch, I'll just delete it since it's not a big deal. I'll delete it. I'll hide here. I'll hide here. Still on the same plane now. The sketch, edit sketch, still on the same. It's okay like this now. We're still on the same plane. So come to features, extrude boss, reverse. So you have something like this. So if there is a mistake, you just go to edit sketch or edit feature. So I have something like, I'll come here, I'll click on sketch, then I'll use a corner rectangle to achieve this. Not a corner rectangle. A corner rectangle to achieve this. Corner rectangle. So from here to here is 10. So it's 10. It's 10. 10. Then 10. What else? Yes. Then from here to this point is 10 also. 10. From here to this point is 10. 10. So it's now fully defined. So all we have to do is come to features, click on extrude cut, then up to surface. Up to surface should be good. So this is surface, and I'm good to go. So that's it, guys. I've been able to get this job done. So please like and subscribe. Thank you.